Hey everyone, this is Julie. We're at a house here in McKinney, Texas. Let me turn you around and show you what we got. Okay, so this is the house. There's Randy over there. He's getting the shutters out. I want to show you what it looks like before we put the shutters on. And just to let you know that I have an old saying, it's just like putting eyelashes on women. You can make your eyes pop with eyelashes, and I think you can make a house pop with shutters. So here it is, and I will show you what it looks like when we're done. This is the color, and Randy, you tell them the color of it.
Ipswich.
What?
Ipswich. Ipswich.
Yeah, and that's by Minwax.
Minwax, yeah.
And that's the color. We're going to also wrap the post. That post over there. So we have all the shutters laid out where they go, and then we just got to get the boards for the posts here and wrap that. So we're fixing to hang these up. Okay, now we have the shutters on, and we're going to work on the posts now. No, you can go. Got the saw out, got the compressor going. Fixing to put this on. It's gonna look so pretty. Loving it.
There we go. Hold on.
Bye everyone.